You ready?
Ready!
You're ready? Yeah?
Ready!
Good. Do you know what we're making today? What are we making today?
Chocolate!
A chocolate what? Chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake!
Yeah. First thing you have to put into your bowl is the flour.
Like this?
Yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Good job. Yeah, you can use the whisk and you can stir it all around.
Yeah!
Do you know where the salt is, baby?
There.
You can put it in a big bowl.
One,
The big bowl.
two,
Yeah.
okay. So,
It's on the spoon. The green spoon.
this one,
That's the white spoon.
one,
Yeah, that's salt. Very nice. The next thing we're gonna put in is the cocoa powder.
cocoa powder.
Do you know what color the cocoa powder is? Don't know? The cocoa powder is brown.
Brown.
Do you see anything brown?
Yeah!
Ah, yes, that's the vanilla. You wanna put the vanilla in? Okay, go ahead and put it in. Yeah, all the way. Very nice. Okay, the next thing I want you to put in is the cocoa powder.
Cocoa powder?
Yes, cocoa powder.
Mommy, Daya.
Maybe if you smell some of the ingredients, you can find something that's what? Oh, yes, that's it.
Cocoa powder.
Yeah, put it in, please. Very nice, all of it. Oh, okay, so the next thing is sugar.
Sugar.
It's brown sugar, so it's not white like regular sugar. Oh, that one's cocoa powder. That one already in. Where are you going? Hey, come back to the table, please.
Is it brown?
Yeah, you see it? Is it brown? Do you want to put it in? Yeah, that one's brown sugar. Go ahead and put it in.
One.
Yes. Very nice. Next one is baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda is white.
Wait. That's why.
Yeah, you found it. Very nice. And the next one is baking powder. It's also white. Very nice. Go ahead and put in the eggs. What? Oh yes, those are the eggs. Good job. Yes, found it.
This is an aisle.
Go ahead and put in all the oil.
Oh, okay.
Bless you, baby. I think I see the milk. Okay. Did you find the milk? Can you find it? Where's the milk? Yeah, that is the milk. Can you put the milk in, please?
Yeah.
All of it. Go, 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 go!
Oh, chocolate.
Yes! What does it smell like, baby?
Chocolate.
Ah! Can you say icing?
Icing.
What are we making?
Icing.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, then put the butter inside. Yeah, put the butter inside. Ah. Good job. Yeah, just a little bit. No, you don't want to put milk in? Do you know what you have to do? What is it?
Cake.
Yes.
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. What do you want to do with the icing? Put it on top? Go ahead.
Nó mà ồn ào kìa.
Wow. Is it good? You like it? What do you call this cake?
Chocolate.
Very nice.